So we're actually in Shanghai, we're at Disney, we're at the Toy Story Hotel, and it's amazing, guys, it's amazing. Like, I'm so excited. It was easy to get through security, and so now we're here, we're ready to go. Chinese New Year, they're so cool. Kelly's found the shop. The shop is called Lotso Shop, it's amazing. So you know how in like the US, the rose gold ears are like really hard to get? First shop, rose gold ears. Ah. So this is outside, really cool. And that's where you get the bus is just gone. Oops. So we're getting the bus to Disney Town because we can get a side entrance because we're on site. So we're walking into Disney Town so we can get a side entrance. So we just came through security in the side entrance for Disney Town. Do not bring food in. I by mistake had some hula hoops and they got taken away. Kelly had a gingerbread man and she still got it, so not fair. So actually it doesn't, not, oh my god, I can see the castle. Look at the castle. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's beautiful. Oh my god. So there's Tron, which is like what I was about to say. There's Tron over there. I completely missed the castle. It's like, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Also, another sort of like recommendation is they don't actually do an English guide map. Didn't realise that, so we are literally lost. So we're literally trying to go left and just see where it takes us. Firstly, I think it's going to be Tron, so let's hopefully there's some good seats, like good fast passes or good queue times. But the park is empty. I mean, where are all the people? The last time I came to a Disney park was LA, and obviously New Year's Eve was absolutely packed. This is insane, guys. New Year's, they're vintage Shanghai Disney ones. They're awesome, so pretty. So we've stopped for a snack. Kelly's gone for the standard Mickey Mouse ice cream, and I have gone for something a bit out of the ordinary. A corn on the cob, but look at this like head, like that. So, let's eat some food. I've got the castle in the background. And Kelly. So we're coming to meet Mickey Mouse, and look how cool this room is. It's a 10-minute wait, so. It's a Steamboat Willie, eh? Willie. Steamboat Willie whistles. Look at these, they've got all different names. I've visited all these now. Magic Kingdom. And Disneyland. Mickey, look at this costume. Look at all these different Iron Men. You've got the big one, and then you've got all the other ones. This is so cool. And this is like an Avengers ride, like virtual reality. So you use your hands, and you can do like this cool stuff. How do I not know how to do these fingers? That was absolutely hilarious. I mean, we couldn't work out how to do the hand thing, and it was like, oh no. I don't know how to play the magic as well. But what I'm really impressed at, actually, the English is really good. Like, they actually are really good at speaking English, and I was a bit apprehensive about that. So that's really good. So now I think we're going to try Tron. Guys, let's just talk about how insane Tomorrowland is. I just don't know, this is just incredible. It's just not what I expected at all. So we were like, this is like a Dumbo ride. No, it's like really fast. 10-minute wait for Tron, we're gonna do it. I'm absolutely terrified. I've just seen, it goes like on the side. Oh my god. Oh my god. How good was Tron? It was insane. We went twice, so we went one like the front and one at the back, way quicker at the back. But it's like, so it's awesome. It's like a bit like you go outside, but then you go back inside and it's a bit of a mixture of like Space Mountain and rock and roller coaster. It's just amazing. It's just, it's a back killer though. It is a back killer. What do you think, Kelly?
They took my glasses off me.
She liked it though. Kelly beat me at Galactic Heroes! Yeah, Buzz Lightyear! That Buzz Lightyear was pretty epic. It's really good because you could actually see which colour you were. So like, me and Kelly were two different colours. So we could see what was happening. So now we're into Launch B. See what's in here. Straight away we walk in and there's BB-8, Kelly's fave. Cool. So cool. It's cool in here. Oh, there's Kylo Ren.
Oh, it's such a cool costume.
Good luck.
we're intimidated.
你想隐藏你的思想，这样做毫无意义。不过，我欣赏你的勇气。
Drive the Millennium Falcon.
I can't get in my seat.
That was like one of the weirdest experiences of Kay's life, I think.
I didn't know what they were saying. Oh my
It was really difficult. They're talking to you, but you've no idea what they're saying.
They don't speak English.
And then they're so cute. It's like literally, we walked on everything in there. I don't know what's happening in the park today. It's just so empty. It's not a bad thing. Toy Story Land is opening in Shanghai, opening slightly earlier than America, and it's opening in April, which is next month. And they have opened one of the restaurants up, so I think we're going to go there for lunch. But you can see RC Racing over there, and they're actually putting like some test tracks up there. I don't know if anyone's on them. It looks really cool. It's like a bit of insight to what's going to happen in Orlando. Oh, here's the restaurants over here. So the Toy Story place was shut, so we've come to Gaston's place, and I've got some spicy beef with a drink, and Kelly's got fish and chips with a drink. So we're about to go on Pirates of the Caribbean. Seven Wharf Mine Train was good. It was only a 15-minute wait. It's a bargain. But I've heard some fantastic things about Pirates of the Caribbean. So let's see what it's all about. 10 minutes bargain. Let's go and see what's going on. Oh my god, this is insane! So we've now walked back to like the centre so we can see the actual castle. I don't know if you can see it properly. And look at this like cool like, little 22-year stuff. I don't know. Oh, people write on it. That's really cute. Then you put it up. It's like a wishing. We're getting around to it. There she is. Oh my god, look at these, so cute. Look at that castle, guys. Wow. Can we just take a minute and look at all these yummy cakes? And look what I've gone for, a donut. We're back at the hotel to check in, and the green aliens just spoke. Right, we're doing a room tour quickly. So this is the cupboard. Look at these slippers. I think you can take them. They're so cool. So there's 2 beds. 1 bed. 2 beds. And Kelly's just shouted out, a Rubik's Cube! So, and then it's all clouds. What's that side?
Watch me break it. Oh.
It's not really a view. Yeah, it's just
not a view.
Not really a view. But it's fine. And then the bathroom. Oh, it's a bath. Bath. Shower. Toiletries. And look at these glasses. These are so cool. And then look at these. This is what I've heard about. Look at this box. It's like a box with like toothpaste and things, which is rather epic. I think Kelly and I will be fighting over this box. So these are the fountains next to Disney Town. They're so pretty. And Tron's all lit up really prettily as well. We're heading into Disney Town to get Cheesecake Factory's food. And so we're going to go downtown Shanghai tomorrow. Oh, the castle's all lit up too. So there's Tron behind the trees. looks going like really pretty. So we've gone for our first Cheesecake Factory food. I've gone for salted caramel, and Callie's gone for, what is it?
Cookie dough, chocolate chip cookie.
Num num. Num num. Hey, so it's actually the next morning. We ate, we were tired, we came back to the hotel, and we literally just clogged and went to sleep. So we had a good night's sleep, and it's the next day. So I'm gonna end yesterday's vlog now. See you in a minute.